Welcome to the morning bulletin of RNA TV. Vaccine maker Bharat Biotech phase 3 clinical trial designed for its candidate Covaxin expect 130 COVID-19 infection among trial participants, according to the details shared by the company on the government's clinical trial websites. Thus intents such as Haryana Health Minister Anil Vij testing positive for COVID-19 2 weeks after being vaccinated as a trial participant are expected. The company will also perform an interim analysis when a third or two-thirds of the number of such infections are reached. This is to determine whether more volunteers must be included in the trial or participants should be followed for long, the company added. Following Mr. Vij disclosed on Twitter that he had tested positive after getting the first dose of the vaccine, based on an inactive SARS-CoV-2 virus sourced for the National Institute of Virology. Bharat Biotech, in the statement on Saturday, said Covaxin followed a two-dose schedule administered 28 days apart, and its efficacy would be determined 2 weeks later after second dose. The police in Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh arrested a Muslim man and his brother under the new anti-conversion law while he was in process of registering his marriage to a Hindu girl from Bijnor whom he had continuously married a few months ago. The couple, who arrived at registration office in Cannes, were handed over to the police by member of a right-wing outfit for prevented them from completing the registration process. The woman said she is an adult and married at the man on July 24 and there are none of her free will. I got married willingly. I'm an adult, age 22, the woman told journalists, adding that they'd been friends for the 2 years. They had been staying in Cannes from where the man hails for the past 4 to 5 months. It is not clear if the woman or the man has changed their religions. The man and his brother were booked under the Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversation of Religion Ordinance 2020. It is the fifth such case to be long in the state under the new law. After a 21-year man was arrested in Bareilly, 7 persons were arrested and 8 booked in Sitapur, while 14 persons were booked in Mau and 2 charges in Muzaffarnagar. While members of a right-wing outfit took credit for the Moradabad arrest, the police claimed that they acted on information provided by the family of the girl. Deciding a civil suit against the denial of a promotion to a woman Haryana police sub-inspector in her favor. A local court here has ordered that the plaintiff was not want to be careful in future for the lack of integrity but for the showing exemplary conduct as a senior police officer, and hence the court was of the considered view that she is entitled to promotions. The court directed the 53-year-old plaintiff be promoted within 2 months. Sub-Inspector Rajpal, the plaintiff, was awarded punishment of warn to be careful in future for re-questioning alone from an accused of an FIR. The warning was issued by the Deputy Commissioner of Police Headquarters, Shashank Kumar Sawan, on October 25, 2019, leading to the denial of promotion of her. She filed a civil suit and the court, in its September 7 order, directed the Commendment Authority to pass the speaking order considering her client as a representation. But the Gurugram Police Commissioner rejected her representation on the ground that an appeal could be made only against the order demission or reduction or stoppage or increment on future of approved service for the increment, and therefore no appeal was made against the punishment of warning. West Bengal witnessed 2 homecoming on Sunday on its South Bengal, one in North Bengal, of a 2 prominent figures who had dominated the political landscape of their respective religion for several years. Bimal Gurung of the Gorkha Janmukti Morcha, who has been hiding after the Mamata Banerjee government slapped a number of cases against him during 2017 agitation, including section under the UAPA, returned to Darjeeling after over 3 years. At the other end of the state, Communist Party of India leader and former MLA Sushant Ghosh, who has been forbidden by the law to enter Paschim Medinpur district, returned to the district after 8 years. Addressing a gathering at Siliguri, Mr. Gurung, who has been shown ties with the BJP, said that in the past 10 years the party has done nothing for the people of the hills and urges them to teach it a lesson in the 2021 assembly election. Mr. Ghosh, who was arrested in 2011 after skeleton was recovered near his residence, was gathered bail on February 2012 but was not allowed to visit the district. Speaking at the gathering in the presence of CPI leader Sujan Chakraborty, he accused the criminal Congress government of slapping false cases against him. This is it for the bulletin. Stay tuned for the latest updates and don't forget to like, subscribe the channel.